there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to another show. It's our first vlog of the month. Remember last month we had our competition and that was for the BF 109 G10. This is a Property Park 148 scale by Edard. Really cool kit. Hope you like it. But after you doing the usual random number generation program, counting down the thread, I came to the lucky winner, Martin 44. So congratulations to you, Martin. You are the winner. Just give me an email and I will ship this out to you free of charge. Now later on in the show I'll be doing this month's competition, so stay tuned for that. But first off, let's jump straight into kit release news.
Hello there and welcome to Kit Release News 2019 in June. First up we have Revell with their Focke-Wulf 190A8. That's in 1/32 scale at £39.99. We have a F15J limited edition import edition in a nice whopping 1/32 scale. That's by Tamiya at £109.99. We've got a Supermarine Spitfire FR Mark 14, that's by Airfix 1/48 scale at £20.99. Revell comes along with a really nice kit here. It is the B1B Lancer Platinum Edition. It's in a nice 1/48 scale and comes in at £119.99. We got an M60 tank with M9 dozer blade on there by Dragon, 1/35 scale at £69.99. Coming in at £53.99 by Takom, we have a 1/35 scale M46 pattern US medium tank, and that is it for kit release news.
So that's kit release news. Now we're going to go on to the group builds. Group builds, if you've already known and entered about it, we've just had the 1/72 scale group build. Had some fantastic work being put into this. It is coming to an end at the end of this month. Come the 30th of June, you know, it's all closed. If you've finished, congratulations. If you haven't, sadly, you're not going to be entered for me to basically judge the first, second and third place for the group build. So we'll be having like a special sort of vlog for that, sort of showing off all your work, and I'll be, as I say, announcing the winners for that and shipping out all your trophies for all those winners. But just to sort of let you know, we're going to be starting a new group build obviously straight after that, probably be like the 1st of July, I do believe. You know, pretty straight after. In all honesty, I normally go off and put like a voting thing on the floor and for you guys to vote what's going to be the next group build here at Genessis Models. But to be honest with you, things have been a bit mad and it's just, I don't know, time has just gone right by and I didn't even realise that we were so close to the end of the GB, so I forgot to do that. But I thought, because I forgot to do it, why not let's do something we haven't done here before, and that is just going to be a build whatever you like group build. So it's going to be a group build which hopefully we're going to get everybody involved in this, because anyone doing any sort of builds on the forum, you may as well for this next group build just do it all in the group build section and get yourself entered into the group build competition. So hopefully you're all going to get in on that. When I say anything, I mean like no holes barred. It is just a full-on build whatever you like. From, you know, if you're mad enough, you can go off and build a 1/32 scale aircraft carrier, down to like a little 10mm miniature, absolutely anything. So I do want to see a lot of attendance in on this one, so get in on that. And as always, it's going to be about 6 months. There'll be more details about it, but the GBs normally run for like 6 months. It's going to start beginning of July and it's build whatever you want. Normally if you haven't done one before, there's going to be a group build section where you post all your builds, what you're building, couple of pictures just showing you the build coming along, and then there'll be another section where you go off and you post all your final reveal photos for me to judge, and that's probably going to end around about December, so get in on that. Now that brings us to what's going to be this month's competition. Now, this month's competition is going to be a nice new release by Airfix. Hopefully you're going to like this. It is the Hawker Sea Fury FB11. This is 1/48 scale by Airfix. I think I did do an inbox review of this. It's been sitting on my shelf for a little bit, but I think it got released like the beginning of this year. Looks like a cracking kit. As always, to be in it to win it, all you got to do is post a comment, any comment, count me in or something to that effect, or even feedback on the Genessis Models website. On the website we've got a forum. There'll be a July 2019 competition section there, and just make a post in there, or you can post down below on YouTube, where basically come next month I'll do the usual random number generation program, count down the thread, and I'll pick someone at random and I'll ship it out to you free of charge. So get in on our competition just here. Also, we have what's been building so far. We have our lovely FA18 just here, which is all nicely been deckled up. Hopefully, as you can see there, they're coming along rather nicely. Moving along with that step by step. Oops, I have just broken a piece. I will fix that later. But we've also started a couple of new builds. You might not have noticed this one yet. This one's been sent to me exclusively by Diagostini. It is the Star Wars Build Your Own X-Wing. This one has just been started. I have done a couple of episodes already, but I do believe only one has gone up so far. Got a couple of pieces here, and it's all sort of like we're building the lasers and everything. It's got lighting kits in here. We've even started building a bit of an R2-D2 going on there, which, you know, has lights and his head moves and stuff. Bit of a canopy going on. So that one's coming along nicely. We also, where's it gone? Here we go. Only up to episode 1 on this one, but we did start the Tempest Mark 5 Series 1. This is 1/48 scale and probably packed by Edard. Up to episode 1 on this, just slowly sort of building through that. Also, a little bit sci-fi going on. Where's the box gone? Here we go. We are building the USS Enterprise. Do like this one because I've got a mojo for it, and we've also got a tackling decals big style. I mean, really, you don't get any more sort of ultimate decals than, like, literally you wrap the model in completely and utterly decals, and the decals do all the detail and all the sort of work basically. Not really much going on with spray work. We might do a little bit of weathering, but it's a really scaled down, so it's mainly going to be the decals. And the decals, although they look good, they're not the best for sort of deckling solutions and stuff, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge, and hopefully we'll sort of really hit some sort of advanced deckling, shall we say, with that. So we've got loads of builds being started. We've got the group build coming to an end, new group build starting up, so kind of a little bit exciting this month. But sadly we have come to the end of our nice little live show here. I'm just going to leave you now with all your guys' fantastic work that you do on the forum. Absolutely stunning work, so I will leave you with that now, and until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.